try to explore like what is there inside first module, second module. So what we will do? Simply we can go, we can open each and every module, we can touch each and every functionality. So that is what we called it as exploratory testing. Okay. So when we can do exploratory testing, initially, if you are fully unaware about your project, understanding me? Okay. I think exploratory testing is done yesterday. Have you written the notes? Yeah. So the next one is monkey testing. Boss ad hoc is having how many types? Four types. One is buddy, pair, exploratory, and last one is monkey testing. So what is the meaning of monkey testing? Monkey testing in the sense what? When we can do the monkey testing? Yes. Is there any condition? See, look here. What we will do, once our entire project is completed, then what is our agenda? We can check whether our project is accepting random scenarios or not. Which scenarios? Sir, random scenarios in the sense what? For example, you can take this particular WhatsApp or else Google Pay, Phone Pay. While sending the money, what you will do in the sense, the moment if you are sending the money, no, click on send button and immediately turn off your data. Turn off your data and check whether your system is like accepting abnormal situations or not, random scenarios or not. If your system is accepting abnormal situations, random scenarios, then see what we can do. What is the main purpose of that particular monkey testing then? What is the main purpose of that one? To break the system. See, for random scenarios, whether our system or whether our software is getting break or not. I told you, if you give like iPhone to the small kids, what they'll do? They'll try to break that. So what is their agenda? They are trying to break the system. Understanding me? So that is what we called it as monkey testing. I'll show you once again. Is it visible to you? Please turn off that first one. Upper line first. Yes. Thank you. See, what is monkey testing? What is monkey testing? Due to lack of time, without following any kind of documentation, without following any kind of process. See, standard work process, what we can do, randomly, we can give the scenarios and we'll try to break the system. That testing is called as monkey testing. Understanding me? Yes. If you want the scenarios for monkey, I'll write here. Copy the copy the definition. Okay. Yes. Anything else? Next. Anything else? Try the transaction by entering 0 rupees. How many rupees? Ha. Okay. Anything else again? Copy these two. See, whatever we are discussing here, no, this is all about functional types of testings. How we can do actual testing, that I will teach you during black box testing techniques. Okay, so let us understand the types. Yes, Surya. Is it done, ma? Okay, good. No issue. Now, the next one is, which is very important, that is non-functional testing. Which testings? What is, see, functional testings are mandatory testings or not? What is my question? These are mandatorily we should have to do for each and every project. What about non-functional testings? What about non-functional testings? Can we do non-functional testings for each and every project? For each and every software? Yes. See, boss, these testings like non-functional testings are done. Yeah, correct. Jagadishwari. Non-functional testings are done on the basis of customer demand. If customer is asking about non-functional testing in the sense what? For example, one application is there. That application should run properly on Windows, properly on Firefox, properly on Edge, properly on like different browsers. Understanding Safari, Opera, all the browsers or different operating systems also. Okay. See, so that we can test now, that we can discuss. Look here. So I'll write one sentence here to avoid the confusion. See, guys, now here they are showing sanity testing. Already sanity has been done. Look here. What is difference between smoke and sanity? Yes. Smoke testing is done to make sure the build we receive from the development team is stable or not. I told you it is build verification testing. What about sanity testing? Main functionalities, basic and core functionalities we can check. Smoke testing is performed by whom? Both. Sometimes development team or sometimes testers are also responsible for that one. Next, what is the sanity testing? Sanity is only performed by testers. Okay. Next, it is done on initial builds. Initial builds in the sense, for example, build is created B001. So first, initially, which testing is done? For each and every build, initially, what we should have to do? Smoke testing. Once build is stable, then only we can go for further testings. In the sense, further includes sanity testing, retesting, regression, then database. After that, ad hoc testing. Under ad hoc, we'll be having 4. Then, see here, sanity is done for stable builds. Smoke testing is the part of basic testing, whereas it is a subset or the part of regression testing. So sanity is cousin brother of regression testing. Understanding? Good. Done. Usually it is done every time there is a new build release. It means for each and every build, we should have to test stability. So which testing has been done? Smoke testing. Then what is the meaning of sanity here? See, it is planned when there is no enough time to do in depth testing. Guys, whatever the things we are checking under sanity, same things we can test under regression testing also. But sir, I have a question. Already we are doing sanity testing, then why are you doing regression? Am I right or wrong? If both are doing same thing, if we are checking both the things same way, then why we are doing like one activity twice? No need to do, no. Under sanity, anyhow we are checking. Why again we are checking under regression? The thing is, sanity testing we cannot go in deeper. Okay, under sanity we cannot go in deeper, but under regression we should have to test both the things, positive, negative, even newly added. Understanding? Newly added scenarios, positives as well as negative scenarios. Did you understand? See, going forward you will understand what is meant by test scenario, what is meant by test cases, how we can write test scenarios, how we can write test cases. Okay, so that you will understand after completion of your SDLC process. Once we enter into documentations, it means STLC, software testing life cycle. There we'll be having only documentations. Test strategy is there, test plan is there, test summary is there. Okay, then what is that? Test scenario document, test case document. Test cases we can maintain in Excel as well as we can write in what we can say Jira tool also by adding Zfire plugin. Okay, everything we'll discuss. Don't worry. Next, see, if you understand the flow, look here, flow diagram, functional flow diagram. See, this is the initial build. Look here, everyone. Look here, everyone. This is my initial build. On this initial build, for example, build number 1. Okay, what we will do for initial builds? Smoke testing. But I told you during smoke testing, two things are there. Either build is stable or it is not stable. Whenever build is stable means smoke testing is pass. Okay. See, for stable build, yes, it is stable. Yes, in the sense it is stable. Then we can do further testings. Further ante retesting, regression testing, whatever it may be. Okay. Next, unfortunately, build is no in the sense unstable. What is the meaning of this one? Whenever build is unstable, then what we can do? We can revert it. Build is rejected. The moment it is rejected, again it is given to whom? Developers. Okay. Next. Whenever the build is stable, then immediately first testing is sanity. Whenever sanity is pass, again we can do further testings. Sir, unfortunately, sanity also fails, sir. It means basic and core functionalities are not working, sir. Then what we'll do, sir? Yeah, no. No means again reject. Can we document sanity testing? Can we write test cases for sanity? Online team, yes. What is that? Real time candidates. Can we write test cases for sanity testing? Can we document sanity testing? Hello. Don't know. Yes. Yesterday I have given one task, one question I have given. What is that? Yes. What was the question? I'm not expecting answer from you guys. Question I am asking you. Oh, it means you are that much serious about your goal. Voice is slowly break. Wait. Now is it clear? Bhavani, talk with admins. Bhavani, once talk with admins. Okay, they'll update it. They'll update it, ma. Talk with them. See, we cannot document. It means we cannot write test cases for sanity testing. Sir, for which testing we can write test cases then? I'll tell you during test cases how to write, how to follow, what are the techniques, everything. Sanjay Kumar Sahu. First thing, I will not record the class. Second thing, I don't know even 1 minute video recording also because I don't have any access. I am like as a student here. Okay. So whatever the accesses, permissions do you have? No, same permissions I will be having here. Even I don't know how to share the screen. I'll take permission from them. Once they permit me, then only I will share the screen. Have you seen or not? So I don't have recording, ma. Directly you can interact with the admin team. Okay, na? So they will help you out through recordings, through your payments, everything. If you have any like doubts, you can ping me in the group. We have created one group now. There. Okay. Fine. No issue. So this is what we called it as. They will help you out. Okay, Sanjay. If they are not helping me, if they are not helping you, you can call me. I'll inform them. Okay, na? Fine. So this is what we called it as. Yeah. Sanity testing. Now this is the time to discuss about non-functional testing. First, try to understand before going to start non-functional testing. Can you please tell me non-functional or functional are types of which testing? System testing. Good. Yes. Which testing? System testing. Boss, system testing is divided under how many types? Two types that we have discussed already. One is functional. Second one is, so can I write here functional testing? What is that? Second one is non-functional testing. I told you why we can do functional. That we don't know, sir. I know that you'll forget. Wrong answer. Read once. He checking no. मिला नहीं मिला कुछ बातें आपको ध्यान में रखना है यहाँ पे नहीं लिखूंगा Yes, Ravi Raj, do one thing at the end of the class. I'll give you my number. Then you can ping me by looking towards your message. I will add. Like this, it is not possible. At the end of the class, wait for it. What is the beauty? Why we are doing functional testing? I told you to meet customer requirements. Why we can do non-functional? To meet customer expectations. The best gift given by the God is to forget. We cannot forget movie. We know that. What is the timing of movie? Time duration of movie? Huh? Oh, 3 hours concentration. Oh, yeah, more. You cannot left even. You cannot miss even one scene also. With the dialogues, you will by heart everything. It means that much grasping power do you have, but you cannot utilize here. If you utilize here, no, ultimately you will get job. If you get the job, then you will get married. Am I right? Then you should have to what we can say, obey lot of responsibilities. You should have to follow. See, guys, your life is also one type of movie. Here also, whatever you are watching, no, treat it as a cinema. Okay, na? Small things, if you guys are not telling means, what you will tell in front of interviewer? Hmm? Yes, there will tell, sir, will manage. What you will manage? Yes. Do you think getting job in IT is that much easy nowadays? Hmm? If you practice well for 1.5 year or 1 year, then you will get central government job also. TSPAC, MPSC, Maharashtra candidates. But here, see, two things are there. Here we don't have any kind of exam and all. But here it is a simply game of what? In Marathi, one man is there. जे शिक जे शिकतात ते तुम्हाला विकता आलं पाहिजे. Some Maharashtrians are there, no. So whatever you guys are learning here, no, that content, that knowledge you should have to deliver in front of interviewers. Understanding me? So that here, funda is very simple, guys. If you want to earn more, then you should have to learn more. Earning is totally depends on learning. Directly proportional to learning. Sir, I know like AWS, I know DevOps, I know Azure, I know like Git, GitHub, Maven, Jenkins, manual testing, automation testing, Java, Selenium, Python, Selenium, C Sharp, Selenium, everything I know. Yes, you will get the job with high packages. No one can stop you here. Learn the things, show your skills, get the job. Work for 2 years, get out from the organization. Again, another organization welcomes you with lot of package. If you are, see, again, I'm telling you, if you are work only for 2 to 3 years in IT, then your package will becomes double. If you are working for 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 10 lakhs, whatever it may be, next within 2 years or after 2 years, you will get how much? How much? Double. But during that, see, during that period, you should have to learn other things. Once you got the job, oh, I'm going, doing, coming, sleeping, going, doing, coming, sleeping. No, you will not get hike. Understanding me? Some companies are there, they'll give hike 100%. In the sense what? If you have 8 lakhs, they'll give 16 lakhs. It means additionally 100% hike. Yes, some companies are there. You know, Persistent? You know, BNY? Have you heard? BNY, one bank is there. You know, JP Morgan's? Okay. So such companies are there, they'll give full of salaries. And if you work for 10 years, then what should be your salary? Observe. 10 years. If you are in the same organization, then you will become manager or domain expert. Then aram say you will earn 60 to 80 lakhs. How much? Okay, it is very good to hear, but you should have to work hard, face some troubles, show some efforts. Okay, first thing, don't recharge for 3 to 4 months. First thing, if you have already recharged now, automatically your phone will again and again your thoughts. So we should have to check Insta, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Facebook. So many things are there for time pass purpose. Understanding? Yes. See, guys, again, I'm telling you, sir, whatever you are teaching here, is it enough? Yes, it is enough. If you want to follow some channels, you can follow. I'll tell you. QA Fox. What is this? Complete testing is there. Okay. Then, yes, date by Pawan. Then, Navin Automation Lab. If you want to use mobile phone, see these things. Don't waste your time. Literally, I'm telling you guys, in the market, how many peoples are learning like testing with you? How many people's online team? How many peoples are there? Yeah, I'll add no Bhavani. At the end of the class, I will give okay. Chat like drop one message for this number. Zero. Add me in Selenium 4 group. What you should have to write? Drop one message. And at the end of the class, I will add you. Don't expect now. Copy it. Number copied. So go through these three things. Even you will be having here, Navin will provide you some videos also. Mock interviews. What are these? Some guys are there, sir. I want to give the mock. So who will take the mock? Yes, you can come with me. I will arrange mock for you. Okay. See, we'll be having some labs. In that lab, some lab coordinators are there. So they will take. If I am free, I'll take your mock. Okay. So first prepare introduction. Prepare introduction from the scratch very well. Don't mention your family matters there. 3 sisters, 5 brothers, still they have not married. Don't tell about your family, no need. Again, I'm saying you. Try to explore your skills there. Mention your skills there. They are not they are not there to like listen your family background. What you are from MLA background or which background? No. They need your skills. Samjhe? Good. Next. Is it done? Yeah, I will take Raviraj. Prepare. Once preparation is done, no, inform me. I'll take. Fine. Is it done? Okay. See, functional testing in the sense what? What is functional testing? Huh. What is that? It is mandatory testing. It is It means anyhow we should have to do for each and every software. Then what is non-functional testing? It is done on the basis of customer demand. So can I write it is done on customer demand? On customer demand. Did you understand, ma? Yes. So we have discussed like 8 to 9 types of these functional testings. Anyhow, we should have to do the functional testings for each and every software. Am I right? Agree with this statement? Yes. Now, what about non-functional testings then? That is on the basis of customer demand, according to customer demand. Okay. So look here, what are the different types of non-functional testings then? See, non-functional testings is having again GUI, graphical user interface. Graphical user interface. How you are looking, how beautiful you are, that comes under graphical user interface. Usability testing. What is meant by usability testing? Application is user friendly or not. I'll tell you what is user friendly or not. See, have you ever traveled through metro of Hyderabad or any metro? Not only metro. Take anything. Where is my train app or IRCTC for booking the ticket or make my trip or go iBibo to book the flights. See what happens there. Look here. Two things are there. One is source, means from where you should have to start your journey. Then second one is destination. From to destination. Am I right, ma? For example, I want to start journey from Hyderabad. And here I should have to go to Bombay. See what happens. No need to type here entire Hyderabad while booking the ticket. Why, sir? I'll tell you. It will provide you auto suggestions. For example, the moment if you write HY, then it will show you all the names which are starting from H capital. Okay. Or H alphabet. Understanding? Then. No need to write here entire Mumbai also. The moment if you write M, it will show you all the names or cities which are started with M. Understanding? So this is what we called it as user-friendly behavior of software. That we can test under usability testing, whether software is user-friendly or not. Sir, under graphical user interface, what we will check then? See, if you open any application, you will be having login panel. Okay. For that login panel, we have username dabba, password dabba, and login button. For login button, we'll be having some colors, blue, no red, blue, or any other colors like orange. Why they are giving colors? For logo also, you will be having multicolor. Even in Google logo, you will be having multicolors are there. See? Uh, see how it is looking. So it comes under what? Graphical user interface. Even I will show you login panel. See, for username, nothing is there. Here, username is there, boss. For password, nothing is there. But for login, which color is there? Green color. It means why color is necessary? For look and appearance. For look and appearance. Okay, so that's only I told you how I am looking. That comes under what? Graphical user interface. Okay. Not only for this one, if you take like any text boxes, even buttons, even links, or even drop downs, you know drop downs. What are drop downs? What are drop downs? Yes, online team. Hmm. Drop down in the sense what? Aya, don't know drop downs. Look here. See, I have one application. Which application will take now? Think on Facebook. Ah, okay. Face Beauty. Okay. If you want to order something, here you will having one symbol like this. This is called as drop down symbol. What is that, ma? The moment if you click on that one, you will be having all your options like kajal, okay, powder, concealer, foundation, eyeliners, lip liners. Is there anything? Pharma company? Yes. Lipstick. Very good. Inka moisturizer. Inka anything else? Yes. Don't know. Oh, yappa. Don't know. Yes. Jyoti, correct. Day, month, date of birth. No, for date of birth that is there. Body lotion. Very good. Correct, correct only. Face wash. Then lip balms. Then so many things are there. We don't know actually. See, unfortunately, there is one party. Party time is 6 p.m. Girls, honestly tell me, how much time do you get to become ready for the party? Morning 6 onwards, no? No. 1 hour, 15. Oh, yeah, but 10 minutes. No. Lay. Tell honestly. Okay. One day before, you have arranged everything. You went to the general store. From where you will buy? D-Mart. Emporium. Okay. Emporium anta. Fine. But what happens, ma? You forget to bring the lipstick. Where is that? This one. So what happens? Suddenly you have, like, suddenly what happened? You order this lipstick through what? Which application? Facebook application. But in that application, we will be having one beautiful bug. What is that? Defect is there. What is that defect, ante? See, test engineer haven't tested properly. The moment if you order lipstick, suddenly kajal is coming. What is happening there? The moment if you order lipstick, what is coming? Kajal is coming. Anyhow, they have ordered lipstick. So that delivery boy came and in hurry burry, he has given what? Kajal. Till that moment, already the party time, like party has started 6:30. What she did, she kept entire lipstick to the lips. Sorry, kajal to the lips. Then she went where? What? The moment she went, like the moment she enters in the party hall, then what happens? Everyone is looking towards her. Is it possible? Yeah, I'm telling the story. Is it possible? No. Why no? Once they become ready, no. 30 times they will ask to the husband, how I am looking. How unfortunately he should have to tell, yes, you are looking very good like Rashmika Mandana. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So here we should have to check even drop downs also. Okay, na? So leave it. Forget about it. So we are discussing about graphical user interface, then usability. The next testing is, where is that? Where is that? Where is? Then we'll be having compatibility testing. Compatibility in the sense whether our software is compatible with all the browsers and versions of the browsers or not. Okay, look here. Oh, see, if we miss single requirements, it results in the defect. So that review process is there. Once you return the test cases, that test cases can tested by, they can do the review by some other people, sometimes colleagues, sometimes internal team members. Okay. So review process exists. Or to avoid missing of requirements or missing of test cases, we'll be having one RTM document process, requirement traceability matrix. Okay. What it will do, whatever the test cases you have written, that test cases will match with the requirements. For example, 100 requirements are there, whether we have covered all 100 requirements or not, that we should have to test, that we should have to map. Actually, we can map the requirements with respect to design test cases under what? RTM, requirement traceability matrix. Am I right? Yes. Then see what we can test under GUI test list. Look here, what we can test. Read it. Yes. Testing the size, even position, width, height of element. Sir, why we can test, why we can do the testing for size and position? Is there any need? Is there any need? Okay, wait. Google, where is that? Like most of the logos of application, where they will be resides? At the top and center of the page. Can I show you some practically examples? Look here, where is the Google? If I kept the position, if I kept here Google, what happens? Yes, what happens? It will not look properly. Okay, on that one. Then what about second application, Swag Labs? Where is the logo? This is logo. Where is the logo? Huh? Yes, it is a no. I'm talking about position, top side ole. Where is the position? It is at the center, no. So position, alignment also matters. That also we can test under what? Graphical user interface testing. Okay. Now see, look here. Uh, Next, what we can test? Testing of the error messages that are getting displayed. Error messages displayed in which color, that also matters. Always error messages will be displayed in which color? Red color. I'll show you. See, what is your expected username? Standard user. What is that? Instead of standard user, what I'm writing? Only standard use I am writing. And what is password? Password I will write correctly. What is that? Tomato sauce. Can I paste? The moment if I click on login button, what it is showing? In which color? And what it is displaying? Epic, sad face, username and password do not match any user in the service. These are the users in the service. That matters a lot. Even color also matters a lot. Okay, fine. Next, testing the different sections of the screen. Different sections. Here we'll be having only one. If we have multiple tabs, then we should have to test each and every tab. Testing of the font, whether it is readable or not. That I told you, no, font, alignment, everything. Even the color of the fonts, testing the spellings. Because of spelling, nothing will happen. Instead of Swag Labs here, see, instead of Swag Labs, if I write Swag Lab, then what happens? It will produce any impact on functionality. If I write Swag Lab, then also username will work, password will work. Then what happens with this spelling error, sir? Why we are checking, sir? Yes. These are called as low priority and low severity defects. Which defects? Oh, sir, till now you haven't call this particular name. What is priority? What is severity? That we'll discuss. Severity is always talks about the seriousness of defect, how much it is impacting on the functionality. What is that? Severity. Then what is meant by priority? Priority means how soon the defect is fixed by the developers. How much importance is given by developer to that particular defect, or we can say bug. Okay, that's what we called it as priority. So what are, see, in interview they might ask you 100%, give me some high priority, high severity defects. Tell me high priority, high severity defects. For example, here, login is done. Unfortunately, look here. I'll show you what is high priority and high severity. Okay, login is done, but it is opening home page. As of now, like here we'll be having products, their value, everything is there, no. But in actual, home page is opening, but nothing is there on home page. Entire home page is blank. Then which defect it is? Correct. Which priority, which severity? High priority, high severity. Such defects, the defects which will stop further execution of software. See, if nothing is visible to the user, if entire home page is blank, can I do other activities? No. Can I do other activities? No. So the defects which will stop further execution of software, such defects are called as blocker bugs. Which bugs? Technically, they are also called as, in some companies, showstopper defects. Which defects? All blocker bugs, showstopper defects comes under high priority and high severity. Yes, logger bugs, exactly. So high priorities, high severities, these critical defects we should have to immediately solve. For that, we'll be having experienced team called as hot fix team. Which team? Which team is there? Hot fix team is there. Understanding? Okay, good. No issue. That we'll discuss. No worries. Then look here. So first one is graphical user interface. Put the heading under non-functional. Let us write the types. Is it visible? 1 second. Yeah. You say yes. Because yes. Non-functional testing means once the project is validated by whom? All functional requirements to ensure customer. I told you. Testing in test engineers can perform below types of And here you can write it is not mandatory testing. Now for WhatsApp, they have added one new feature. What is that? Meta AI. Okay. So whatever the work is done by Chat GPT, the same work is done by Meta AI. So they have added in the WhatsApp feature. See, Insta also added, and before 1 year, I think they have added payment feature also. So for all these newly added features, what they are checking, which testing they are doing? Regression testing. Which testing? Can they check all the modules like login, chat, audio calling, video calling, or only they'll check these only payment or Meta AI? What they'll check under regression? All the modules with new modules, old plus new. Okay, good. In future, you will get some options in Zomato, Swiggy also. Now, if you need, then only you can like order the food. Am I right? For example, if you need food at 1 o'clock, tomorrow 1 o'clock during lunchtime, you can add that food now also. Before 1 day, before 1 week also. From which restaurant, at which time do you need everything? They are upgrading everything. Okay. Is it done? Is it done? What is GUI? Graphical user interface. I'll write here. Good. What is usability? Software is user friendly or not. Next. What is compatibility? It is supporting all browsers and OSS operating systems or not. Security testing. Software is secure or not. Installation testing. See, we should have to follow some installation guidelines. We should have to write some release notes. Okay. Recovery testing is also called as reliability testing. What is that? Software is recovers from abnormal situation or not. Standard testing means whether you are developing your software from the companies who is having ISI mark standard or not. The performance testing is done with the help of different tool called as JMeter. And for this, we'll be having different test engineer also. But we can discuss theoretically, don't worry. So many tools are there. JMeter, load runner. I think nowadays WebStrace also comes into picture. Neoload also. Tosca guys will use this. Uh-huh. ISI. ISI mark. I'll tell you I'll teach you entire testings. Wait, it has been not done shortly for remember. Short quiz. You can write this. तेरा तेरा मैंने ले लिया मेरा. JMeter, Load Runner, Web Trace, Neo Load. These are all performance testing tools. Okay, done. Now put the heading graphical user interface. Here we can test entire UI of application. Graphical user interface or GUI testing is a process of testing UI layer of application. UI like GUI includes all elements such as menus, checkboxes, buttons, colors, fonts, sizes, icons, content, and images. Copy this. Ah. See, here GUI checklist means what we can check under GUI testing. Don't write all the things, write only 5 points. I know that. Which one you will write? I know very well. You will write first this one, this one, this one, this one, even this one. Going forward, this one. Hardly. Okay. So write any 5 things, 5 lines, 5 sentences are enough for your understanding purpose. Is it visible or can I zoom? Can I zoom? Now fine. Happy. Done. Is it done? Still writing? Next, usability means user friendly or not. Means what, sir? I'm not understanding. I told you user friendly. What is example for that one? See, customer point of view application is user friendly or not. It means user is able to operate application properly or not. During this testing, validate application provide context sensitive help. What is mean by context sensitive help? See, this help actually we cannot provide, even all the applications will not provide 100% context sensitive helps. Just now I told you from to destination. The moment if I write H, it will show you all H related villages. Hyderabad. Then Hanmanakonda, Hanmakundana, Hanmakonda. Then Haryana. No, Haryana is whatever it may be. To destination M, Mumbai, Leni Majji, that is a state only. How it will show state? Yeah. Red bus application. Suppose it is red bus. Okay. Fine. No issue. But, for example, think over it. Metro is there. one blind person is there. Which person? Blind person is there. The moment person is blind in the sense what? He is not unable to see anything. From is there, destination is there, then how he can travel? Yes, he is not able to talk also. Ah, how he will talk? Hyderabad to Bombay. Yes, that's only I told you. 100% context sensitive help will not done by the softwares. Okay, fine. No need. Don't worry about it. So done. Have you written this? So what we can test under usability testing, whether the software is user friendly or if the software is user friendly, then your usability testing is pass, otherwise fail. Now copy this. Yeah, is it done? Not done. No, two sentences, two lines. How much time it will take to write? Okay. See, still anyone is not there in the group for you. Once again, I'm sharing my number 93079588946. Done? Okay, fine. Next. Guys, you can drop a simple message there. Please add in the group. And if you have any queries, ping me on the WhatsApp for this number. Okay, even I am present in the group. Okay, fine. Yes, wait. Kirosa. Wait, we'll start. Is it done? Yes. So, we will wind up for the day. Chalo, thank you. Do you have any questions online?